Stink bug and berries. Kuang, what's wrong? What's the smell?
Oh, it's a stink bug!
Huh? Your hand must have surprised the stink bug, so it let out that awful smell.
But this smell is so stinky!
Aha!
What are Franky and Kuang up to now?
They're coming!
What are you doing? Do, Pong, try this.
It's milk!
Yup, Pinocchio gave us some fresh milk from his farm. Try it now.
Yummy, thanks! You're both so childish! You think it's funny to tease your friends? I'm not talking to you guys! Do seems really mad.
Franky wondered what to do to make Do feel better.
Berries!
Wow!
Look at all the berries on this tree.
Wow! How can it be so good?
Do's sure to like this. Let's pick lots and lots of berries.
Franky and Friends!
Let's make a pie out of this with lots and lots of berries.
Franky, Kuang, and Pong are making a berry pie for Do.
Yay! It's finally done! Wow! Yeah.
It looks yummy.
Do, what are you doing? We baked a pie. Won't you try some?
I think we should just go in.
So, won't you try a piece of this pie?
We made it with berries that Franky picked from the woods, especially for It's good! It's so good! Well, it's okay, I guess.
Franky and Kuang must have done a good job.
Good! the plate.
What's going on? It's poisonous gas! Or a stink bug! Is it attacking us? It stinks so bad!
It's not a stink bug! Oh, I'm so embarrassed! Franky and Friends!
I see. Berry trees are fruits that make you fart a lot. We should call it the farting berry tree.
That's what happened. It was because Stu ate up the berry pie.
Yup. Dude, are you okay now?
Frankie, sorry about before. Because of the stink bug, I got so mad at you.
No. I think I asked for it.
Franky and his friends found that you can pick berries when summer comes. And that eating too many of them has its side effects.